Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a really simple card I'm making today. There's actually no stamping involved. It just shows what you can do with pattern paper and our memory and more cards. So let's get started. Okay, so we have here our base, which is Misty Moonlight, and it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I have a piece here of basic white that I'm going to stick inside for the insert. And as usual, all the measurements will be on a blog post on my website, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. Okay, so let's set that aside for a second and bring back our next pieces. And this is the hand-penned designer series paper, and you can see I've just cut two pieces, one to fit inside the other, like that. And to make this pop a little bit more, I'm actually going to ink the edges with Misty Moonlight ink. So here are my sponge daubers, and I just got this off the internet, this case, to store all my sponge daubers nicely in. And let's just take this round, and this just helps the layers pop from each other. Okay, so just around the edges, just catching the edge of the paper, just getting rid of that white core on the edge. Just like that. And I'm actually going to do the same for this piece as well. Just give it a little something, 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 as you can tell. And this is so easy just to do. Just go around, catch the edges, but it makes such a difference. There we go. Okay, so set that all aside, and we're going to stick this one piece, and you can see it's the same paper. I've just used one side for one to get my two layers, and then I'm going to stick one to the other, just like that. I want to get everything as lined up as I can, and then we are going to stick this on top of our card base, just like that. Hopefully trying to get things straight, which that wasn't. Something like that. And this looks pretty already. And then these are the memory and more cards. They're the hand penned, so they match, and you get some stickers here, and then you get all of these different cards that you can use, as you can see. So let's see, what do we want? Let's have a look at the sentiment. We could use Celebrate Today, is what I used before. Let's have a look and see. We could use this one here, Happy Birthday, but it's quite a small one. Maybe we'll use Celebrate Today again. What do you think of that? And then the orange over the top. Yeah, let's try that. Right, we're going to use the sticker, and we're going to again just ink the edges of this card so everything has the same feeling, has the same vibe. Okay. Just like that. And let's stick this down. You could have used both sides. You could have used this that says Enjoy, but I just wanted a plain aside for my sticker. Put this in the centre like that. And let's get our sticker here. And I'm actually going to ink this too, just gently, so everything looks the same. just like that, you can see. And then it's sticking to me, it's sticking to me. I'm actually going to pop this up on some dimensionals. So let me find some new sheet of dimensionals. As I said, it wants to stick to me. And this will also help it pop from the background by giving it a bit of dimension. Get these backings off. And then we're just going to put this in the centre here. Like that, celebrate today. And then let's see, maybe we can this time use some more stickers to give it a little bit of something. Let's have a look and see. Yeah, that looks pretty. Okay, something like that. That's what we have so far. Then I found these, they're my iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, and I've not used much at all. So let's scatter some of these all over the place. Everything doesn't want to stick to where I want to put it today. And these help just give everything a bit of sparkle. And I like to do things in odd numbers, so I've got 4 there, so one more I think. Should put this one here I think, and then shifty this one. It's being awkward, it doesn't want to play. Right, I've got it with this way. Where shall we put this one? When you're struggling to decide, it's usually starting to stop, so we'll stop after that. Clear the decks, find our original card. Those are the 2 cards we made. What do you think? Really simple and easy using the memory and more cards, but really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, as I said, all the information will be on the blog post on my website. And the links to that are in the description box below, including my social media links. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!